Hi guys, welcome back. Today we have a PR package and it is from Vee Taylor. If you do not know, I have received a PR package from Vee Taylor in the past and it was a beautiful PR package. I think it might have been, was it my first PR package? I think it was my first official PR package actually, to be honest with you. And if anybody knows, she released a book recently, like it was called Into the Darkness, and oh my god, like that's in my top 5 that I've read of 2024. Like it is in my top 5 books that I have read in 2024. I am hooked. That one was so good. And anybody who knows me has heard me talk about it. So, but I'm not gonna just go crazy. But anyways, that one is really good. And this one is for her new book also that she's releasing. So let's go ahead and open this and we will talk about it. Obviously, I've got some stuff. I'm trying to be careful and not show my address. Got some cool little, it says MILF mail. How fun is that? And it's got some fun stuff inside of it. We have Cheetos snacks while we read. We have hair ties. Always need a hair tie, especially if you have long hair. And I'm not going to go into that detail, but it is a necessity if you have long hair and you take you participate in some activities. It's a necessity. So let's go ahead and look at this. It's for the book Fourth Wall. I'm going to try to make sure that there is no inappropriate art, because if there is, I'll have to kind of set it off to the side. And then there's some of her books that have been released. The one I got was for the Third Degree. That was the one I got a PR package for, and I loved that book. And Into the Darkness. Oh, that book was so good. And this is where you can sign up for her newsletter, which we already know I'm all signed up for that. And we have some cute little bags. I'm going to set the box down so that I can see what's in these cute little bags. We have, it looks like a little necklace, a little seashell necklace. We have some really cool sticker. This one says Big Boy Energy. This one is some tags, some little dog tags, super cute. And this one says, thank you for supporting me. And this kind of has just all her little links if anybody wants to go follow Vee Taylor. And more cool stuff. Okay, now this one I am not going to open on camera because, as you see, I don't want my channel to get in trouble. So I will not be opening these ones on camera. Oh, we have a cute little keychain. The keychain says, sorry I'm late, I didn't want to come. Oh, that one definitely is me. I don't want to go anywhere. I just want to stay home and read my books. And so what we have left is the good stuff. It is the book. And just, it's like her, you know, her other one, Fourth Degree, like, or Third Degree. That's what it's called, right? My brain is dying today. Yeah, it's Third Degree. I don't know why my brain is not comprehending that, but it is not. Okay, her other one, Third Degree. This one is Fourth Wall, and it's just like that. She does really nice matte covers. They feel nice, they're nice and smooth, and they're nice matte covers. I really like this, and it's red and pretty. And of course, she signed it. Always love to have books on our shelves that are signed. And it's a nice size book. I cannot wait to knock this one out. Like I said, I love her writing anyways. Anybody who knows that, obviously this is my 3rd book. I found her I only started TikTok reviewing books in October, so I stumbled upon her, and that's what's been so awesome about having a TikTok where I review books, is there's authors like I had not heard prior to having a TikTok that now I'm like, these are amazing authors. Why had I not known of them prior to this? And she is one. So definitely going to suggest checking this one out. I will read this and let you guys know what I think, so come back later for a review on this book. Thank you to Vee Taylor and her publishing company for sending me this PR package. I appreciate it.